2014 Buick LaCrosse, very popular car at the auction. Front bumper is messed up, 64K on the miles. Inside is decent. We've definitely purchased them in worse shape. Making progress on the 2014 Buick LaCrosse. There was some weak paint work on the passenger side. We're going to redo that. Go ahead and put a radiator and cooling fan along with a bumper on the front. Unfortunately, just to do the condenser and radiator, we had to take the bumper off. That's no big deal. It's coming along. It'll be ready for painting, hopefully by this time tomorrow. This is a 2014 Buick that we was working on start to finish. This auction day turned out pretty good.